Hi everyone, what's going on today? And welcome to another video. My name is Samuel and I'm the owner of No Cost Ad Agency. If you not yet already know that what is No Cost Ad Agency, you can just check out the link in the description of my website. So here you can find a lot of informational and useful method that you can use for your business. You can learn how to create Google Ads account and lot of things. So today's video is very unique because I'm gonna show you how can you verify your Google Ads payment method. Payment method is very essential, actually is very needed things for Google Ads, you know what I mean, because you cannot promote your business or you cannot promote your product, your website without creating a payment profile or adding your credit card or bank account in your Google Ads account. So this is a really tricky part nowadays because a lot of people are just searching this in the web or YouTube, so they are not getting any proper method. So I'm just gonna show you how can you verify your Google Ads account. So if you don't watch my previous video, you can just go through my channel here, as you can see, or you can add this eye icon. You can check this eye icon. As you can see here, I'm just suggesting the video that how I add payment method to my Google Ads account. So in this video I'm gonna show you that how can you verify this your payment method, because in this previous video I just added this payment method in the Google Ads account. So as you can see here, the saving account is this. Also, as you can see here, this is the saving accounts that I added to my Google Ads account like 1 week ago. And then what Google did, it just they send you a too small amount of the dollars to verify that is that really your account. So all you need to do is check out your bank account and check out this for to deposit amount, and here you just need to enter this after something like this. As you can see here, something like they send you some cents, like 40 cents or 50 cents or 52 cents, whatever they send you the amount, and you have to just enter it like this through this drop down, and such as they send you the 73 amount. So you have to click the 73 amount and you have to click the verify. So I'm just showing you the live that I can verify this account that Google sent you already the two amounts. So let me show you the bank account. So let's go through my bank account here. So as you can see, this is the online bank account. This is the go to bank account, and you already know here about this account, I think. So here you can see this Google payment, as you can see here, this is. So as I just verified this with my PayPal account. So PayPal also sent me the 20 cents, something like 10 cents, and they charge the 20 cents. They send me the 10 cents, and then they reverse this, or they pull it back to their account. So as you can see here, there's Google already sent me 63 cents and another 63 cents, and they just pull their 53 cents. Alright, so this is the things, and you can see here the 63 cents is I need to verify first because they send me the first. So let me show you the account here. So as you can see, the last 3 or 4 digit of the account here is 4311, and you can see here the same 4311 is my last 4 digit of the account, and the account name it with the Victor Fatino, and as you can see here the same name here It's just something like I need to show you the profile here. Alright, so I just did not verify my email or phone number yet, so it's showing the unverified. So as you can see here, this name is the Victor Fernando. Whatever it happened, it don't need to require the email or phone number verified, because the account is operational and you can still use it for your Google ads or Facebook ads, payment method, whatever you wanted to prefer. So let me verify the account today. So let's do it. So first of all, if you don't yet visit my website, so check out the link in the description and visit it right now, because there's a lot of informational method and threshold account available for you. So don't miss this and check this out. And you can also check my YouTube channel here, so you can also learn something. And there's a lot of informational video, as you can see. So this is it. So let me show you the how to verify the bank account. So as you can see here, the payment is the 63 cents I received. So I'm just going to select from the drop down is 63. So let me find the 63 here. Google is just send you the specific amount of the cent, so they just put it into the drop down, so you don't have to manually enter it with your keyboard. So alright, so here I can find the 63 here. So I'm just going to click the verify. So let me check it once again that we don't have any mistake to it. So let me check. As you can see, here is the 63 and here is the 63. Alright, so it's time to click the verify. So let's click the verify button here and let's see what happened. As you can see here, this bank account is verified, and your savings account, that's 4311 is the last four digits. So as you can see here, the same 4311 is the last four digit. 4311 is the last four digit. It's ready to use. So this is ready to use for your next project. So I'm just clicking the got it button here, as they prefer, and as you can see, this account is verified. And here the big red text that pending verification is gone, so you can use it right now. So this account is already ready for use, so you can use it for Google Ads account, or promote your product, promote your business. I'll show you in the next video how can you promote this product for your Google Ads account. So just like this. And if you so I'll show you in the next video. And just remember this three for this 4 digit of this account, so you can mark my account, so that has really worked. So if I click the edit, what happened? Alright, so it's just showing me the name. You can change the bank account. You can also add more bank account here, is that, or you can use this more account here. So I'm just not gonna add this account right now, so it's just already verified. So I'm just clicking the cancel. As you can see, this savings account is verified. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel, and make sure to check out my website here. You can see a lot of informational course, account and method, so you can use this for your business. So thank you once again, and like this video and share it also with your friends.